Hi everyone, my name is Nia and thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here and you love cleaning, organization, and lifestyle videos, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. And for those of you guys who are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be my after work tidy up routine. This does change from day to day depending on what needs to get done around the house. And this particular day, my kitchen and family room needed to be picked up and I had a little bit of laundry to fold and put away. On most days, as soon as I walk in the door, Riley goes off to play and it gives me the chance to pop her dinner in the oven and tackle the kitchen. Usually there's a bunch of stuff left on the counter or dishes in the sink, so I try and do as much as I can before she comes in to eat. What does your evening routine look like? I would love to know. I'm always curious to see how others keep a clean home, especially if you have kids or you're a working parent.
On the floor, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be? I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Heartbreak, heartbreak.
By now, her food is almost finished, and if you guys have been subscribed to my channel for a while, then you know that we are dealing with a very picky eater. So what I'm trying to do is put a couple of different things on her plate. She loves strawberries, so blueberries still falls into the berry category, so I figured I might as well put that on her plate as well, hoping that she might pick at some of them. And she always likes to hold bananas and lick them, so I'm hoping that today she might actually eat it. So I also put that on her plate as well. And I was reading an article and they said that picky eaters tend to like breaded foods. So what I also did was pop in a fish stick as well, hoping that she might mistake it for a chicken nugget and at least try it. But we will see how this goes. I hope she eats something on this plate besides just the strawberries.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you.
So while Nick was sitting with her while she was eating, I decided to pick up a little bit in the family room. And today, for some reason, she just did not want to sit in her high chair. She wanted to sit at her big girl table, but the problem with that is she doesn't sit there and eat. As you can see, she's following me around, not really eating today, but we had to keep kind of going back and telling her to sit down and actually eat her dinner. So hopefully she kind of gets over this whole not wanting to sit in her high chair, because it does allow us to confine her so that she will actually sit and eat. But today it was a little bit more relaxing, to be honest. I was too tired to even fight with her, so I just let her kind of do what she wanted.
I wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close. Can you feel it? Something is behind.
unfortunately, she didn't eat any of the things that I put on her plate besides the strawberries and the chicken nuggets. And then later on, we gave her a little bit of mashed potatoes. So what we find is she loves mashed potatoes, but you can't put it on her plate initially because otherwise she won't even eat her chicken. So usually we give her protein first, and then afterwards we give her french fries or her mashed potatoes. But I'm really starting to lose hope with her eating anything. Every single day I do try and put something new on her plate, something that she's seen before, so in hopes that she will eventually eat it. But I don't know, I just want to give up. But so many people tell me that their kids are picky eaters as well, and just to keep pushing through. Let me know if you guys have dealt with this or dealing with this and what you have found to work, because I don't know, I really am just about to give up.
What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded?
So it's a little later on in the day. We decided to go for a walk after dinner, and because it's nice out, we try and do something outside so she can get all of her energy out before bedtime. Once we got back, I wanted to fold a load of her laundry before she went to sleep. And typically I knock all of my laundry out in one day, but last weekend we had Riley's birthday party, so I was busy planning that and laundry took a back seat. So I tried to do a load a day this week to try and catch up.
I don't wanna be alone. I need you tonight and I don't wanna wait. I want you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you.
Riley is so into phones these days, and I was actually talking to my mom and she just grabbed the phone and started talking to her. And then once we hung up, I decided to FaceTime with my sister because she always likes to FaceTime her and things like that. And I honestly wish that we had that, the whole FaceTime feature when I was growing up, because it allows you to still get to see other family members or friends, even though they may not get to see them on a day-to-day basis. And she is also obsessed with dresses, and you guys will see that she is going to fight me when I'm trying to put this dress away because she wants to put it on herself, which later on she did. We had to take all of her clothes off just so she could put this dress on, and she literally twirled in the mirror. It was the cutest thing. For more cleaning motivation and videos like this, make sure to subscribe below, and I will see you guys in a few days with another video.